Hello. In this video, we will show you how to disconnect the SCR control unit on a Mercedes-Benz GL350 Bluetec. This is the final step after completing the software installation. The SCR control unit is located below the luggage compartment floor. We will now show you how to access it. Lift the trunk floor panel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the plastic clips securing the side trim. Then, remove the trim panel to access the SCR control unit. Locate the SCR control unit and the electrical connector. Release the locking lever and disconnect the connector. Do not pull on the wires. The SCR control unit is now disconnected. The installation is now complete. You can continue driving without DEF-related restrictions.
You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.